Hi all. I wanted to go over a quick defensive video for you guys. I've been hearing a lot of questions about it lately, and the old reference of dirty pool, people playing dirty pool. If they play a shot that leaves the opponent, without a shot, instead of going for some crazy shot, people call it dirty pool. In essence, you're really just doing defense. Every sport has got an offense and a defense. A defensive shot or dirty pool play would be if you hide the cue ball behind another ball, or you just make the next shot for the opponent harder than it has to be. You can watch the professionals play on so many stations now with the internet, and you'll see if they don't have a run out, they just immediately start looking for a defensive or a safety play, hiding the ball behind another ball, or just somehow making it harder for their opponent to make their shot. A lot of times I hear, say if there's only just, the cue ball and the object ball, meaning the 8 ball or 9 ball or whatever, that there's no safety there. And I don't agree with that. I feel like anything other than giving the opponent an easy shot is a defensive play if you do it purposely. So if you shoot it out to leave the opponent a bank on their next shot, that's a defensive play. Because most people can't really do banks that well. So that's an ideal safety play. If you're not comfortable with the shot you have, leave the opponent a bank. Or just get separation in between the money ball and the cue ball. Put one ball on one end of the table and put the other one on the other. All right, thanks for everybody who stopped by. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to like and subscribe and share my videos so other people can get the information out there. I'll get more coming for you guys as I keep getting more into it. And thanks for stopping by, and let's play pool.